Flame was no ordinary horse. He possessed extraordinary intelligence. In a distant land, a remarkable horse named Flame lived. Villagers believed he was a gift from the gods. Flame's coat shimmered like molten gold, eyes sparkled. His tail began in the great forest. Elders claimed heavens chose him for a special purpose. Flame understood human speech, could solve complex problems. A terrible drought struck the land suddenly. Villagers turned to Flame for a solution to drought. Flame sensed a disturbance in the world's balance. He embarked on a dangerous journey to Sacred Mountain. Flame faced challenges, but remained determined. Finally, he reached the Sacred Mountain's summit. He discovered a crystal-clear, glowing spring. Flame returned with sacred water to heal the land. Flame became a legend, symbolizing hope and resilience.